Hello, my people. On a day from Otoshebo Mama, I greet the house. Also, on a day for my brothers and sisters. Wonder shall never end. Wahala for everywhere. This video, I'll put on our watcher. This my one they see for this picture. So, oh God. E pikin wey dey for 13 years. Na the man just dey zoom zoom zoom. Na the man 13 years old. Na just dey zoom zoom zoom. But some father na wow, your blood pikin wey you born, how e go dey attract you? Small pikin, e just no see as e destroy e life. Say dey give am money, so and they even dey ask am. The police say dem ask am say about wetin dem dey accuse am for. E say yes, say na true. Im dey give am money. Na wow, wonder shall never end. All these things are not better. Na problem. They get problem for their brain, mental problem. Because person wey dey normal, pikin no dey attract am. No understand o. Now this video na two in one video. I still put the other one. Una still lis ten. Wetin still happen for the other video. I don't know wetin dey do some of people. Well, I no too blame them because dem get problem. They no fit go cure am. They no fit go meet doctor. And that one na be the problem wey we get. Because some people they will dey under stress. They will get problem for their brain. They no fit go see doctor because of say money no dey. Because of say money no dey. So na make dem dey do anyhow. Na make that country still be as e be. May God help our children because all those innocent children, they no fit defend themselves. Father, pikin wey you born, you no even, the thing no even get as e be for your brain. You carry am, you dey do. Now wow, when girls many women dey, your pikin 13 years, now that one na come attract you. Wetin attract you for them? Wetin you see for a body? Pikin wey you born, you no even get that. Anyway, person wey dey normal no do that thing. Na person wey no dey normal na dey do. I'll put the other video more and still watch. Bye bye.
One Muhammad Salisu Jibril. One Muhammad Salisu of Jabil, age 30 years old, has been having unlawful sexual intercourse with his daughter. She's 13 years old. This man has been having unlawful sexual intercourse with this young girl of 13 years old. When I interviewed him, he said yes, true, he has been doing it. He used to give her money.
Hello, my people. This one and the other video. This video one and they look so. This old man, now 65 years old man. 65 years old man. He said they use oh God. He said they use a cassava to play with a baby of 10 years old. Because that one is supposed to be a granddaughter. So the man, they even thought, say he no know wetin come upon am. Because he no know wetin happen. You understand? Because even as they ask am question, they cry, they go because they say he no put cassava for inside the tomatoes. Now understand? A man of 65 years old, wetin come enter inside your brain? Wetin come enter inside your brain just to think about that small pikin? Say the small pikin dey play, dey come where in dey work. I think it happen for that Lagos side, for that side na for happen. Now hear where they ask am question, as him come dey reply them. Pikin of 10 years old, man of 65 years old. You dey play, come dey reach where you dey. Say you no know wetin happen, wetin cause all these things. Say you no know, but he play with am. Only to play with am alone. Now God have mercy. Only to play with am. Say he play with am. He use the something take rub he use the banana take rub the tomatoes. Small pikin. Huh? Even as you dey even dey play with am, before you even talk say you wan play with am, something no shock you for inside your brain say wetin you dey do so. With the one wey dey pay me for inside, after they don do wetin they wan do, they go come dey cry crocodile cry. They go come dey cry crocodile cry. Big man like that, no be say na small pikin, no be say na small children. You just get mind take play with small pikin, old man. He come dey cry. Because as I dey watch am, e be like say dem say he put something for inside, he put a banana for inside him tomatoes, but he say he use am take play with am. Na wow, that our country hey, nothing wey person no go hear, nothing wey we no go see. Nothing wey person no go hear, nothing wey person no go see. All these small children, I dey pity for them. Dey pity for them well. Because na person wey grown up person, e no fit control himself. Na small pikin na go fit control their body. No be dem fit control their self na. You wey be adult, you no fit control yourself. Na small pikin na go come fit control. You wey be adult wey suppose to know wetin good, wetin bad. Small pikin na e no know wetin good, wetin no bad. You go give am 50 naira, you go give am 100 naira. Na that one go say take make you take buy sweet, take make you take buy chinko. Na so dem dey do am. And if you know, una know na give small pikin money na, anything wey you tell am, e go say okay, I go do am. Na wow. May God help us. May God help our children. Na only that one. Na only God na go fit help them. Because they no fit defend themselves. Person wey be adult wey suppose to dey defend them na, and they come dey carry them, dey use something take dey rub their tomatoes. My brothers and sisters, abeg una help me share this video now. I just see the video. I just still talk a little bit, because all these things is out of hand. I don't know wetin dey worry some of people. Wetin una dey see for small children body, wetin dey give you for their pikin wey suppose to be your own. Now you come dey do like that. I'll put the video more na watch am. Now bye bye. Now good night.
I'm from Kogi, Okene State. I'm working as a security under Kuta. And I'm pleased that water bill we have Badam here. Today I'm working. Since then, I've been quite a long time. I've been there. Then this just come up and listen to me that the one lady girl used to come to our side before. Then just play with her. Then God knows my mind. God knows my mind. Then I play with her once. You know, to say I said her, I just play with her. God understand me. I use my penis to rub their private part, finish. Then I didn't even have a sex with her. So then I've been coming sometimes, I will tell her, oh, please, I don't want any problem. Say, you need this, a school girl. Say, you need what we take to school. And sometimes I give her 150 naira. That's all. To a slight mistake there before yesterday, about 4 days ago, 23. Then, as they come to me, I don't have anything with her, with the girl. Only the woman came to me, arrest her.
Around what time?
Around 5:30.
Baba? 8 p.m. The woman caught the 10-year-old girl with you around 8:30.
He didn't cut it with me. He cut it by herself.
Where?
On the road.
From your place.
You see, but he coming from my place.
At what time?
At around 8.
Around 8 p.m.
8
Is the
p.m.
girl not too small for you, Baba?
It's what, pardon, sir?
Is the girl not too small? Don't you think she's just a little girl?
I have.
Is the guy not too small for you?
I know it's too small. Not my willing. Not my willing. Something is pushing, which I don't know, pushing me to that to that line. It's not my intention to do it. It's not my intention to do it at all. I don't have it in mind to do anything. If I see something is going wrong, I'm there to call, please don't do so. But this one come to me now. See, people are honest to somebody. They will find way or another to downfall the person if care is not taken. It's what's happened to me. It's what happened to me. It's what happened of Jesus Christ. Lord, my mind. If I'm telling lie, God, fix your life from me. If I'm telling truth, let your life remain with me. I don't have intention of doing such bad thing at all. So, oh God.
It is an arrest of a man that claimed to be 65 years of age, and that is having carnal knowledge of a teenager of about 10 years of age. And the old man claimed to be deceiving the girl with a token of 50 naira, 60 naira, and 100 naira to have affair with the small girl. So this has been part of our efforts to ensure that we get rid of criminals in our society. And I'm using this opportunity also to call on communities and other individuals. When you see something, try to say something. All security agencies are your friends. We are at all times ready to protect your interests. Give us information at the right time to be able to get rid of these criminals in our